You guys really thought I couldn't stick to it, did you? Ah, you're probably right. But today I'm so sad to say you're wrong. I stuck to it. You wanna see how my typical day goes? Not that you care, but anyhow, I'll show you. Come on. I wake up already dressed the previous night so that I could save time. I don't bath to save water and refresh myself with a wet towel instead. I already have my backpack ready as I don't need anything in that. So the only thing to do is to take it out and leave for breakfast. Oh, I'm 2 hours early. It's okay. In the meantime, I don't use my phone or watch TV, but start my work then and there. When I eat breakfast later, mom gives me water, milk, and breakfast in 3 different vessels. My minimalism doesn't allow that, so I don't eat like that. Ever. I then leave for work. Now it's probably not gonna be like this. I know this is too much of a flex, but we'll see. We'll get there in a year or so. But as of now, it's completely different. It's like this. I wake up around 5:30, 5:40 and get little exercise done so that the sleep wears off. Then I make my coffee without waking anyone. I write content for an hour or learn any filmmaking tips. I don't film here. It'll be noisy. Then at 7:45 I go to wash my car every alternate day. I have to go today. Then I take bath and put on clothing that is on the top. I've labeled them so I stack the newest on the bottom every day. Then I make my bag ready and keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things on the table. Now, fun fact, the pointing and calling system that I showed you is actually from Japan's train system. They use this pointing to the signals and calling them to reduce the accidents or increase the effectivity. Now I never forget them. I pack lunch, chapati every day, and go to work. Evening, I come and start exercising immediately. I don't use my phone until then. Oh look, I used only half of my screen time today. I can use it for another half an hour now. I relax for a bit and then onto the video work. At 10:40, 10:50, I wind up usually and drink a glass of milk and go to sleep. I forgot, I don't sleep in the same clothes. I have 3 more shirts to wear at home. And I also see my screen time one last time and feel proud that I'm not using my phone. Okay, this time to sleep for sure. Last talk. So this is how my typical day goes. I have suspended this wire from a window, so laptop is inside. I wanted to show you because I would be accountable to this. I would maintain this routine, whatever it is. If it's too much or if it's not what you want to see, don't bother. But if it is, or if you want to encourage me, no. And nothing, no, nothing. I just called for no reason. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing if it's not too much. Only 50% of you are subscribed according to YouTube. And how's your New Year thing going on? It's good? Do let me know.